Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all. I am Anisha. Today the topic of my presentation is all about optical Ethernet. First, what is optical Ethernet? Optical Ethernet is the physical layer of local area network communications protocol for sending data over fiber optics cable. Now we can see about introduction for optical Ethernet. Optical Ethernet combination of two technologies, Ethernet and optics. It combines the flexibility and simplicity of Ethernet with the reliability and speed of optics. Optical Ethernet attributes simplicity, speed and reliability. It removes the bandwidth bottleneck between the LAN and the WAN. Next, we can see about optical Ethernet simplifying network. Key network attributes today's network optical Ether. Complexity, higher multiple protocols from LAN to WAN, lower Ethernet from LAN to WAN. Access bandwidth, fractional T1 seconds, T3 seconds, weeks to months to provision. Up to 10 gigabytes, 1 megabytes at a time, hours to provision. Performance, higher latency, higher jitter. Learn performance end to end. Staffing, network specialist for each protocol, network generalist. Next we can see about optical Ethernet building blocks. There are 4 blocks: Ethernet over fiber, Ethernet over resultant packet range, is Ethernet over DWDM hybrid. First, Ethernet over fiber. Electrical to optical translation over dark fiber. We can use point-to-point and mesh topology for Ethernet over fiber. Ethernet over resultant packet range. It solves the traditional problem of zoned bandwidth waste. Ring topology we can use for Ethernet over resultant packet ring. Ethernet over DWDM. Utilize DWDM as its core transport. Is byte rate and protocol independent that allows it to work in almost any network scenario. We can use ring mesh point-to-point topologies for Ethernet over DWDM. Last one is hybrid. We can use hybrid for each blocks are merged together. Next we can see about Ethernet technologies. 3 data rates are currently defined for operation over optical fiber and twisted pair couples. 10 Mbps 10 base to T Ethernet, 100 megabits fast Ethernet, 1000 megabits gigabyte Ethernet. Next we can see about Ethernet network elements. There are 2 elements. First element is data terminal equipment, that is DTE. Second element is data communication equipment. First, data terminal equipment. It means devices that are either the source or the destination of data frames. DTEs are typically devices such as PCs, workstations, file server or print servers that as a group are all often referred to as end station. Second, data communication equipment element. Intermediate network devices that receive and forward frames across the network. DCEs may be either standalone devices such as repeaters, network switches and routers, or communications interface unit such as interface cards and modems. Next we can see about basic IEEE 802.3 MAC data frame structure. This is the structure for IEEE 802. MAC data frame. First, PRE. PR is permeable. Next one, start of frame delimiter. Third one, destination address. Fourth one, source address. Fifth one, length or type. Sixth one, data and paid. Last one is FCS. FCS is frame check sequence. First, permeable has 7 data. Start of frame delimiter has 1 data. Data destination address has 6 data. Source address has 6 data. Length or type has 4 data. Data and pad has 46 to 1500 data. Frame check sequence has 4 data. Next we can see about optical Ethernet fiber. Optical Ethernet fiber, it has two main advantages over twisted pair cable. Data may be carried much further over fiber. Fiber is immune to electromagnetic interference. Two basic types of fiber, multimode and single mode. Multimode fiber is used extensively in the data communications industry. Fast Ethernet carried over multimode fiber is known as 100:FX. Single mode fiber is used extensively in the telecom industry. Single mode fiber allows much greater than length multimode fiber. Next we can see about recent trends for optical Ethernet. Optical Ethernet switches, GPIC modulus, also known as the small form factor pluggable multi-source agreement model. The mini GPIC is only about half the size, effectively doubling the available capacity that can be designed into the face of an equipment chief. Resultant packet rings to define a high performance, high availability optical transfer suitable for harried networks in metropolitan service areas. Now see about future expectations for optical Ethernet. Optical Ethernet to the consumer. Optical Ethernet area networks beyond 10 gigabytes. Finally conclusion. Optical Ethernet transforms the corporate network into a key competitive advantage. Optical Ethernet also provides network versatility to meet a wide range of customer needs. Finally, thank you all for listening to my presentation.